why didn't I take the action 5 years ago? You know what I mean? Like, it's not, my situation is different now, but it's not like I couldn't have done it. Like I was saying earlier, man, like literally 5 years ago, I wanted to start all of this content, you know, like I wanted to get a podcast going. I wanted to get a YouTube episode shows going. I wanted to get Instagram going. I wanted to get all this stuff going. And 5 years ago, it literally felt impossible, dude. Like, you know, the fact that our podcast is live now is incredible. And when I think about it, what I'm thinking about is basically like, why didn't I take the action 5 years ago? You know what I mean? Like, it's not, my situation is different now, but it's not like I couldn't have done it. You see what I'm saying? And so when I think about why I didn't do it, was because I didn't think I was good enough. I didn't think I was ready. I didn't think that people would care. You see what I'm saying? So I allowed my insecurities to get the best of me, to basically say, hey, look, dude, who's going to give a shit about you? You know what I mean? And you know how many people out there, they probably want to start a podcast, they want to start a YouTube episodes, they want to start Instagram content, but they just think that, you know, their opinion's not going to matter and it's not going to help the world. You see what I'm saying? When I got aligned with like who I was and like what I'm about, and I know like deep like what I can do and what I can bring to the table, that's when I just made a decision. So literally I hired you a month ago?
Yeah.
It was like a month ago, right?
About the second week of August.
And I made a decision a month before you and said, you know what? I'm doing this. Like, I want to bring value to people. I want to help people. I've always wanted to help people. I want to give back the knowledge that I've gotten over the last 8 years of entrepreneurship. Give it back to people, help them, and create something that people can watch and they can enjoy, they can get educated, they can have fun with, and one day we can do business together. And look at us, dude. Like, 1 month went by. I mean, literally. And we have our podcast up. We have 4 episodes on YouTube now. 4 different channels of different content. We have our Instagram content. We're putting out content daily. I'm running my business still at the same time. And we're documenting all of this. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Because honestly, we could create stuff all day long. And when we first started, me and you, that's what we were doing. We were just kind of like creating, like, okay, let's see, what do people want to hear? Like, what could we show them? What could we tell them? Now we're just like, screw it, man. Let's just document what we're doing. So even like right now, like I wanted to have a conversation with you and I'm like, dude, let's just document this right now. Let's just show people like what we're talking about. Let's let them into our world. You know what I mean? And I think that's the key there. So if people are trying to create content or people are trying to do stuff, like you got to just, you know, document the process of what it is that you're doing in your day-to-day business, because you know as well as I know, I'm running a business full time. You know, I'm working 9 hours a day running Sunclean, and now we have this Overcomer Academy business that we're just kind of like, everything's coming from Sunclean. Like whatever I'm doing in Sunclean, like we're putting it into Overcomer Academy. So I think it's been super awesome, dude. The fact that we took action literally 30 days ago and now everything's flowing, like it's much more to come, dude. Like super exciting stuff. How do you like it so far, Ian?
I love it.
Pumped or what?
Yeah.
Dude, your content, like the video stuff that you've been putting up, man, it's super sick, dude. Like everybody's been telling me like how nice it is and like how cool it is. Like I showed my barber and my barber was like, he did all that, you know? Like I told him like he saw the video edits, but then like I showed him like the graphic design and like all these extras, and he's like, dude, he does all that shit? And I'm like, yeah, man. So you've been super, super awesome to the team, dude. So I'm glad you like it, bro. Yeah. What do you look forward to, man?
No, just keep grinding and keep, you know, putting out content. You know, the fun doesn't stop now just because we're on iTunes. You know, that's just one. That's just like one step in the right direction, but we still have like 7 more to do. So. Yeah.
It is one little step, dude. That's why I like you, man, because you know that we're not stopping here. You know, we're gonna take over this thing. So, Ian, the camera guy, ladies and gentlemen. It's awesome, dude.